Welcome to etvFutures.com. It's Tuesday, October 23rd. I'm Caitlin Sisney with your Commodities Recap. Crude oil fell for a third day on forecasts that a government report tomorrow will show U.S. oil and gasoline inventories rose. Crude oil closed down 75 cents at $85.27 a barrel on the NYMEX. Natural gas in New York fell on an extended outlook for mild weather that will limit demand. Natural gas closed at $6.76 per million British thermal units. In the metals complex, gold and silver rose after a decline in the value of the dollar boosted the appeal of the precious metals as alternative investments. Gold for December delivery gained $3.10 to close at $763.10 an ounce on the New York Mercantile Exchange. December silver gained $9.50 at $13.65 an ounce. Today we're joined by Bobby Firestone from Alaron. He'll give his short-term outlook for the commodities market.
Ahead of tomorrow's energy inventory reports, I have to say today's trading activity was kind of sloppy and choppy. I think not getting anybody particularly excited. That was the first real full day of the December contract being the front month. Now, I'm looking for tomorrow is a relatively uneventful energy report. I am expecting there to be at least a slight build in crude oil, probably a build in heating oil, maybe a little bit in unleaded, but I'm not expecting to see a dramatic earth-shaking number in either direction. Now, on the news story, okay, we're starting to see reports Iraq and Turkey are going to work together to deal with the Kurdish rebels, which highly reduce the likelihood of any sort of a large-scale offensive, which would be the primary concern with the oil pipelines in the region. So overall, I think we're looking at markets bored. There's no real news story to push it forward. And since we've rolled out to the December contract, which was trading a couple of dollars cheaper than November, right now we're at about $85. So it's going to need a good $5 move before people are going to get excited and start talking 95, 100 again. So in the near term, I think this market's going to kind of bore people, and we're going to need some sort of a catalyst, whether it's bullish or bearish, to get this market moving. Now, in the metals, as we're seeing this relationship hold pretty true, anytime we're seeing the dollar down, gold's going higher. I do like the pullback here. As we get closer, if we can buy it around 750, I think it's a good play. Up on the higher end of the recent range, gold isn't quite as shiny.
That was Bobby Firestone from Alaron. I'm Caitlin Sisney. Join us again later this evening on PM Exchange right here on etvFutures.com.